Students, today I'll explain you the probability when we have to find in case of the coin what will be. In case of the coin and in case of the die. Okay, in case of the die, when the dice are thrown, then what will be probability? That I will explain. Okay, the first case of coin. You know, students, when the coin will be thrown, that time only the two possibilities are there, two outcomes are coming, that are head or tail. When the coin has been thrown, that means one coin, and that time the total number of outcomes is what? That is 2. That is the 2. Head and tail, one coin will be there, and the okay, coin having the two bases, one side the head and one side tail is there. When the two coins are there, when the two coins will be there, that time the total number of outcomes that you will see, it will be head both. It can be tail, it can be head or it can be tail. That means total are there, that is 4. See that 4 outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the 3 coins will be there. That time see that what will be position? Head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Okay, and then HST 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2 more possibilities are there. That will be TTH you have written, STT also written. Tail, head and head, tail. Okay, see that. Tail, head, I have written already. Tail, head, and head, tail, it is written. Yes. This is repeated. That will be separate. So head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, and tail, tail, and TH, T, tail, tail.
Repeated.
That is repeated. That is also repeated. Tail, tail. STT. Yes, STT, it is not written. Head, tail. Okay. So now students, you will see that their total number of outcomes are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of 3 coins will be there, then total outcomes are there, that will be 8. If suppose the 4 coins are there, 5 coins are there, 7 coins are there, for one system has to be, with that we can find easily what will be total number of outcomes. So for that, what will be there? One thing we are getting here. This can be written as 2 raised to power n, this will be 2 raised to power 2, this will be 2 raised to power 3. Okay. If the total number of coins are there, n coins, means 1, 2, 3, 4, any one. So that time it will be what? 2 raised to power n. Therefore, we have got the total number of outcomes in case of the coin. Formula we have got 2 raised to power n, and where n is number of coins. Now the number of coins will be 100, 1000, 10,000. We can find easily how many outcomes. Okay. If suppose the 4 coins will be there, 2 raised to power 4, that answer will be what? 16. If 5 coins will be there, 2 raised to power 5, that will be 32. in this way we have got that ki when the case of the coin is there, we are getting the total number of outcomes. It is there, out coins, not outcomes, where n is the number of coins. Now why the 2 is there, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2? Because the coin having the two bases, head or tail, therefore the base will be here also 2, only the what power is changing, and power depends upon the number of coins. Okay, so this is the case of the coin. Now you will see the students, see the some seconds. Now see the students, when the case of the die, you know the students, die is the what singular form and the dice is the what plural form. Huh? Dice is the plural form and the die is the what singular form. Now next is there case of die or dice. So that time when the one die is there, that time the possibilities are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. You'll see that die is the what in cubical shape. Why the cubical shape? Because the cube is only there the what equal area. Their faces, they have the equal area. Whatever their faces are there, 6 faces are there, and 6 faces having the equal area. Therefore, we are taking the what cubical shape. In cuboid it is not there. Therefore, we are taking the cube. And there on that the dots are printed. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot and 6 dots. So when one die is there, that time 6 out. And when the 2 dice is there, that time it will be what 1, 1 like this, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6, and there will be 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. No, sorry. There will be 3, 1. In that way, the column will be increased. 4, 1, 5, 1, and 6, 1. In last, it is coming what 6, 6. So therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6 is 36. When the 2 dice are there, that time the total number of outcomes are what 36. And when the 1 is there, 6. Now when the 3 dice will be there, for that again you will see that one system we are getting. When the 1 die is there, that time it can be written as 6 raised to power 1, and this can be 6 raised to power 2. 6 square will be what 36. And when the 3 will be there, that time it will be what 6 raised to power cube, and 6 raised to power cube equal to what 260. So that means if the number of dice are increasing, so that time we have to use this formula. What we are getting, the base is remain same because the 6 bases are there, 6 faces are there, therefore 6, and the formula will be there. Okay, total number of outcomes in the case of die, total number of outcomes 6 raised to power n, where n is number of die or dice. Okay, in this way we can find the total number of. Now in that the questions are like this. It is coming, what is the probability to get the even number, what is the probability to get the odd number, what is the doublet, like this the questions are coming. Okay. तो Okay, students, you have seen in the case of the coin, the formula was there 2 raised to power n, where n is the number of coins, and in the formula of the die, the formula is the 6 raised to power n, where the n is the number of die. In that way, we can find the total number of outcomes, and you'll see the condition whatever in the question is given. According to that, you give the answer. Okay, students. Thank you.